Israel-Gaza latest, truce extension close. Security sources say, Israel in danger of losing control of war. Hamas has announced it is seeking to extend its truce with Israel, as the agreement is in its final day. 2-day truce extension close. A deal extending the truce by 2 days is close, according to Egypt. It would include the release of 20 Israeli hostages and 60 Palestinian prisoners, Egypt has said. It added that 11 Israeli hostages are expected to be released today, but negotiations are ongoing for the freedom of 33 Palestinian detainees. Who are the 40 Israeli hostages released by Hamas? Among the most recent group of hostages to be freed was 4-year-old Abigail Moore Eden, an Israeli-American whose parents were killed on the October 7 attacks. Joe Biden said her father was gunned down while using his body to shield little Abigail, who then ran to a neighbor's house where she was taken hostage. She is one of 40 hostages who have been released so far. In pictures, families flee south in ceasefire. Palestinian families clutching their belongings continued to move south in Gaza today, as ambulances headed in the opposite direction. Reuters photographers captured people holding the hands of children and pushing wheelchairs through mud, past upturned cars and rubble. Israel ordered civilians in the north to evacuate, but reports suggest the military may move south once hostilities resume. Negotiations on next hostages to be freed continue. Israel says negotiations on which hostages might be freed next continue, the Israeli Prime Minister's office has said. In a brief statement, it said, the negotiations regarding the list of the next freed people as part of the release plan for the abductees continues. We are aware of the stress that families are under, and we will add information when it becomes possible. We ask to avoid spreading rumors and unreliable information.